we're going to do more practice with conditional statements. First thing that we're going to look at is an if-then statement, and we're going to break it down into our P and our Q statements. So the P, the hypothesis or the if statement, in this case is going to be if it is Saturday. The Q statement or the then statement is going to be then there is no school. So we're going to look at the conditional statement and we're going to ask ourselves, what is the truth value of this statement? Is it true that if it is Saturday, there is no school? In this case, the truth value is true. If it's Saturday, there's not going to be school. Now we're going to use that statement and we're going to write an inverse. So what I want you to do is I want you to think about if not P, then not Q. So using the two statements, P and Q, that we just wrote, you're now going to write the inverse. So if not P, then not Q, and we're going to look at the truth value for the inverse. All right, so go ahead and check your inverse. Did you write, if it is not Saturday, then there is no school? If you did, then you have the correct inverse. Now let's look at the truth value to this. If it is not Saturday, then there is school. The truth value for this is false because what if it were Sunday? Could it be if not Sunday, then there is school? So because Saturday isn't always true, Sunday could also be true, this truth value is going to be false. And the counterexample would be, we could say Sunday. If it's not Sunday, then there is school. All right, now you're going to go ahead and write the converse. So you're going to write if Q, then P. All right, let's check and see if you got it. If Q, then P would read, if there is no school, then it is Saturday. So if we're looking at the converse, we have to determine the truth value for that. Is there any way that that would not be true? And the answer to that is yes, because we could say if there is no school, then it's Sunday. So the truth value for this converse is false. And the counterexample would be that it could also be Sunday. It doesn't only have to be Saturday. All right, now you're going to try the contrapositive. So the contrapositive says, not Q, then not P. So if not Q, then not P. So go ahead and write the contrapositive using your P and Q statements. And let's check to see if you got it right. So if not Q would be, if there is school, then not P, you would have, then it is not Saturday. In that case, that would be true. Okay? Because if there is school, then we know that it is not Saturday because school doesn't happen on Saturdays. Okay, let's look at the biconditional statement. The biconditional statement has to have a true conditional statement, a true if P then Q, and its converse also has to be true for the biconditional to be true. So if we look at the conditional, if it is Saturday, then there is no school. We said that that conditional is true. If it is Saturday, there is no school. We don't have school on Saturdays. Now let's look at the converse. If there is no school, then it must be Saturday. Well, we said that the converse is false because it could also be Sunday. So if both the conditional and the converse are true, then the biconditional is true. If not, then the biconditional statement is false. And now we've gotten to practice a little more with conditional statements.